In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M35 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on suggestion strip at the top of your Gboard. You need to begin by launching settings and scrolling all the way down to access general management. Then click on Gboard settings. Select text correction and last but not least, use this switcher next to show suggestion strip to activate it. So when I do that and go back, as you can see, my suggestion strip was successfully enabled. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!